Hi North, welcome back. This is week 25 and this is lesson number 2. And the month of February, it is so much fun. There's so much stuff packed into February. We've got Super Bowl, President's Day, Valentine's Day, Lincoln's birthday, Mardi Gras. Right, but what is the one thing that we actually celebrate every single day this month? We celebrate Black History Month. That's right. Okay, so when Black History Month comes, one of the things that I like to talk about is something called code songs. Code songs. Now, to explain code songs, I first have to explain to you about the Underground Railroad. Maybe you've heard of the Underground Railroad and Harriet Tubman, but if you haven't, I will tell you, long ago, back when we used to have slaves in the United States, there were some slaves that wanted to escape to freedom. And what they did is they went on the Underground Railroad. Now, when I say Underground Railroad, I don't mean like a train under the ground, like a subway. I just mean it is a safe and secret path that the slaves could take to escape. And along that path would be safe houses and people that would help them that worked with the Underground Railroad. Okay, so what does music have to do with this? Well, to help the slaves know where to go and who to talk to, they were taught these songs, these code songs, by people who worked with the Underground Railroad. And one of the most famous ones is called Follow the Drinking Gourd. Now, what does that mean, right? Well, it's kind of a strange name, but that's because the songs were all secret codes. They would sing one thing, but it would mean something else. So follow the drinking gourd. A gourd is a plant, and so a long time ago, before they had drinking fountains and things like that, they would just drink out of like buckets or barrels, and you could take a gourd and kind of scoop out and shape the bottom half of it and use it as like a ladle, like a soup ladle, and you would scoop that water out and you could drink out of it. Drinking gourd, okay? But that's not really what the song was talking about. The drinking gourd was really talking about a star constellation in the sky called the Big Dipper. Okay? And the Big Dipper had a very, very bright star in it, and that star is called the North Star. And if you follow the North Star, if you walk in the direction of the North Star, guess what direction you're walking in? Yeah, you're walking north for sure. And if you were a slave, you know that going north means that you are going toward freedom, okay? To the free states and to Canada, hopefully. So in the song, when it says follow the drinking gourd, it means follow the Big Dipper or follow the North Star. And every line in that song has like a secret map or message on where to go, who to see, to get them to freedom. So what I've done for you is I have put a link up on my Bitmoji classroom page. It's a wonderful video that tells a true story of a man who worked for the Underground Railroad named Peg Leg. Peg Leg Joe, and he really did have a peg leg, and he would go and work on these plantations, and he would teach the slaves these code songs, all right, so that they could escape north. And another thing I want you to know is that Alton, Illinois actually was along the Underground Railroad, and actually there were some safe houses here that worked with the Underground Railroad that helped the slaves escape. So we are a part of history here in Alton, Illinois, something we should be really proud of. All right, so I want you to go back to my Bitmoji classroom page. I want you to find that link on Follow the Drinking Gourd. Please click on it. It will tell you a true story, and you'll also get to hear a little bit of the song. All right, well, I really had a good time telling you about code songs. I hope you had a good time, and I will see you next time. Bye, North.